I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 28th day of June. It actually is refreshing again this morning. A lot of spots are in the 50s up in North Alabama, that fall feel, but don't get used to it because the fall feel will fade very soon. Let's check some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning. First off, coming from the Inverness Skycam. Count the cars out there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wouldn't it be nice if it looked like that all day? Hey, look at that. That's the Chehaw Skycam. The sun getting ready to come up. Of course, we're past the solstice now, which means the days are slowly getting shorter. Wow, 4th of July is next week. This year is racing along, and that's always a nice shot. A pre-dawn look at the pre-sunrise look at the Tennessee River at dawn up in Morgan County at Decatur. All right, the Death Ridge Ring of Fire setting up there from New Mexico over to Memphis, and that's just nosing in here. And you can see that 594 contours over the shoals today, so that'll probably be the hottest spot up around Florence and Tuscumbia. But everybody has a chance of hitting triple digits today, and we all will clearly hit triple digits tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. And, of course, that heat bubble is also subsidence, sinking air, so no rain. There's yesterday's highs. You can pick out the hot spots out there in western Kansas. Again, places like Hill City going over 110. Ouch. That's nasty. Severe weather, not a whole lot to talk about. Just low-end 5% probabilities today up north and pretty much the same deal tomorrow. And again, you can pick out the ring of fire on the rain projection for the next 5 days, valid through Monday evening of next week. Heat bubble, Amarillo over to Atlanta. Most of the showers and storms on top of that thing. In the tropics, Debbie fizzled out. What's left of it is well east of the United States. Not a tropical system anymore. Little disturbance out there about halfway between the coast of Africa and the Windward Islands. Probably will not get its act together. And I don't think we'll have much action for a while out there. All right, that tells the story. This is the GFS today at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. 594 heat ring. Phoenix to Knoxville. And that's just pretty nasty. In fact, we'll just stay at this level. It'll be dry through the weekend. There's tomorrow. Heights are still at 594. And what that means, the altitude up to 500 millibars is 5,940 meters. And typically when you see a 594 ring in the summer, it's just hot, triple digits. Now, over the weekend, Saturday heights are down ever so slightly, but not much. And the ground is dry, but a couple of good things here. The dew points won't get out of hand, so the heat index won't exceed the actual air temperature much at all. Pretty much the same deal on Sunday. Let's look at the actual temperature scheme here coming off the GFS. This is tomorrow. Triple digits there. There's Saturday. This is suggesting maybe some 105s kind of along the US 80 corridor. And there's Sunday, still triple digits, and Monday of next week. Still triple digits, so pretty good chance we'll see 100 today, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 5 in a row. Tuesday, numbers are coming down, thankfully, as the ridge weakens a little bit. Go down to the surface chart on Tuesday, and maybe enough moisture for a little pop-up shower somewhere, not the kind of rain we need. There's Wednesday, 4th of July, still going to be hot as a firecracker on Independence Day, with highs in the mid to upper 90s. And again, maybe a shower in spots or a thunderstorm should not be enough to ruin any fireworks displays. And a week from today, it's still hot. The ridging is still there. Maybe the core of the heat a little west of here, and that shows an increase in moisture. So again, maybe the middle of next week, a few lucky neighborhoods will see a passing shower or storm, but they'll be pretty scattered. We'll check the end of the forecast, July 13th. That doesn't hold up a whole lot of hope there for any big changes. Still hot over much of the country. Westerlies are in Canada. And again, that shows enough moisture for the typical chance of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We will have notes on the ABC 3340 weather blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so today. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News on the television side or the live stream at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren
You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio, or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.